Struggling to map data flows for your DPIA? Let's break it down step by step, with real examples you can follow. Step 1. Identify the data entry points, where personal data is collected. These are forms, sign-up pages, mobile apps, APIs, sensors, any source of personal data. Be specific. What data is collected and from whom? Step 2. Track how data moves inside your system. What apps, departments, or processors access it? Is the data stored in a database, CRM, cloud service, or on-prem server? Also note if the data is altered or merged with other data. Step 3. Find out what happens next. Is the data shared with third parties? Look at analytics tools, customer support platforms, payment providers, or external APIs. Also include reporting exports, backups, and cross-border transfers. Step 4. Visualize everything in a flow diagram. Start from collection and end at deletion or archiving. Tools like Draw.io, Lucidchart, or even Google Slides can work. Need an example flow map or template? Download our DPIA guide. It includes visual examples and editable diagrams. Link in the description.